Welcome to my channel, Modern Talk English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Modern Talk English, the place where you learn English through real-life stories and everyday conversations. Today's story is simple, fun, and full of useful English sentences that you can use in daily life. It's called The Lost Phone, A Day Full of Surprises. In this story, you'll learn how to speak English naturally in real situations, like when you meet someone new, ask for help, or say thank you politely. These are the moments where your English becomes real and confident. So, as you listen, remember this little tip. Listen carefully and repeat after the characters. Copy their pronunciation and tone. And most importantly, speak out loud. Don't be shy. The more you speak, the faster you'll improve. Now, let me introduce our main characters. Lena, a cheerful student who's always in a hurry, and Max, a kind stranger who helps her on a very surprising day. Are you ready to join them? Let's begin our story. The Lost Phone, A Day Full of Surprises. It's a bright, busy morning in the city. Cars are passing, people are walking fast, and everyone seems to be in a hurry. The sound of the bus horn echoes through the street. Beep, beep. Here comes Lena, a young student with a big smile. But today she's late for class. She's running quickly, holding her bag and trying to check the time on her phone.
Oh no, I'm late again. The bus will leave soon.
She runs faster and faster. People move aside as she rushes by. In her hurry, her phone slips from her hand and falls to the ground, but she doesn't notice. The bus arrives, and Lena jumps in just in time. She sighs in relief as the door closes.
Shoo, I made it.
But she doesn't know that her phone is lying on the street behind her. A few seconds later, a young man named Max walks by. He sees the phone on the ground and picks it up carefully.
Someone dropped this phone. I think I saw a girl running to the bus just now.
Max looks around but can't see her anymore. He keeps the phone safely in his hand, thinking how to return it. Repeat after me to practice today's daily English. I'm late. Where is my phone? Someone dropped this. Great job. Let's see what happens next in Scene 2, The Discovery. Max looks at the phone in his hand. It's shining under the morning sun. The screen lights up. Someone is calling.
Oh, someone's calling. Maybe it's the owner. Should I answer? Okay, let's try. Hello?
Hi. Lena, where are you? The teacher is waiting.
I'm not Lena. I think you have the wrong person.
What? Who is this?
I found this phone. I think someone dropped it.
Oh, you found Lena's phone? Can you help me?
Yes, of course, but I don't know where she is.
Max tries his best to explain in simple English. The girl on the phone also tries to understand, but both are a little confused. It's a funny moment.
She was on the bus. Maybe she will call you later. Thank you for helping.
No problem. I'll wait for her call. Bye.
Let's pause for a quick English practice. Here are some useful phrases you just heard. I think you dropped your phone. Use this when someone loses something. Who is this? Ask this when you don't know the caller. Can you help me? A polite and simple way to ask for help. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. I think you dropped your phone. Who is this? Can you help me? Perfect. Meanwhile, Lena arrives at her classroom and suddenly notices something.
Oh no, where is my phone? I must have dropped it.
She quickly leaves the classroom and runs back toward the street, hoping to find it. Her heart is beating fast. Near a small coffee shop, Lena finally sees Max holding a phone in his hand. Relief spreads across her face.
Excuse me, is this my phone?
Yes. Is this your phone?
Yes, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
They sit at a nearby table for a moment. Max and Lena talk in simple English, practicing polite conversation.
Thank you for your help. I was so worried.
It's my pleasure. It's nice to meet you.
These are important polite phrases for daily life. Thank you for your help. Use this whenever someone helps you. It's nice to meet you. Say this when meeting someone new. Repeat after me. Thank you for your help. It's nice to meet you. Great. Now Lena feels happy and calm, and Max feels glad to help. Lena and Max sit at a small table, each with a cup of coffee. They smile at each other and start a friendly conversation. This is a perfect moment to practice simple English for daily life.
So, Lena, what do you do?
I study English.
That's great. I like learning English, too.
Really? What do you like to do in your free time?
I like music. I play the guitar sometimes.
Wow, I like music too. I listen to songs every day.
See how simple sentences can create a friendly conversation? Let's look at some useful phrases. What do you do? Ask about someone's work or study. I study English. A simple way to talk about what you do. I like music. Share your hobbies. That's great. A positive response to someone's answer. Now it's your turn. Repeat after them slowly and clearly. What do you do? I study English. I like music. That's great. Great job. Talking about hobbies and daily activities is a fun way to practice English naturally. The time passes quickly. Lena finishes her coffee and realizes she must go to class. She smiles warmly at Max.
Thank you again for helping me, Max.
You're welcome, Lena. I'm glad I could help.
Today, I lost my phone, but I found a friend.
And I practiced English today.
They both laugh and wave goodbye, feeling happy. It was a small adventure, but a very meaningful one. Let's quickly review the daily English phrases you learned today. Is this your phone? Ask when you return something to someone. Yes, thank you so much. Polite way to show gratitude. You're welcome. Polite reply to thanks. Thank you for your help. Use when someone helps you. It's nice to meet you. Say this when meeting someone new. What do you do? Ask about work, school, or study. I study English/I like music. Talk about yourself. That's great. Positive response in conversation. Practice these phrases every day. Even small conversations can make your English stronger and more confident. Well done, everyone. Today, we followed Lena and Max through a small adventure. And along the way, we learned many useful English phrases for daily life. Let's quickly review them one more time. Is this your phone? Yes, thank you so much. You're welcome. Thank you for your help. It's nice to meet you. What do you do? I study English. I like music. That's great. Remember, the more you speak and practice, the faster your English will improve. Even a small conversation, just like Lena and Max had, can make your English better every day. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to Modern Talk English for more real stories, useful phrases, and fun ways to learn English.